I'm sorry, Craycraft, but you messed with the wrong piece of meat.
I'm gonna go to his house and I'm gonna slap him. Here I go, another diss track. Popcorn ready, sit back, spend $1 million for a toast? Wait, we already went over that. Paid again and put me on an ad. No lie, man, I kinda laugh. Wanna try me to get banned? Tell everybody I did that, you big man. We spam steak in the chat, taking over your stream, bruh. Make it look like it's hacked. Heavy raids, go on the rage. You wanna play, right? You wanted the beef, well, I am the steak, and I'm so hyped, I'm not calm. You say I'm loving them hot moms. When I see you, it's on site, and I talk about .com. Sorry if I bring the drama. We can grow up like Razor Flopper. And I hate to bother, but you're too cheesy like a Kreek Ladagna. No cap, big facts. Listen, dog, you taking an L. That's not a smile on your head. God, dude, it's screaming for help. I gotta show you some sympathy. Don't wanna make you an enemy. Really don't. Every time you have a dinner plate with the biggest steak, just remember me. Hit the like button if you also love steak.
Let's settle this once and for all. I challenge you to a steak cook-off. Loser has to suck their toe.